Lots of happening weather conditions. Conditions not necessarily changing rapidly, but the barometer has bottomed out across our region at 29.32 inches or 99.2 kilopascals. Be advised that there's a lot of alert boxes right across Ontario and towards Quebec. Snowfall warning for Moosonee sustained. You're looking at 10 centimeters per 12-hour forecast. Check our local listings. Freezing rain warning in effect still for Kapuskasing-Hearst, Timmins. Freezing rain warning upgraded to winter storm warning. Watch out for that. That could be lots of fun tonight and tomorrow. You're looking at maybe 10, 20 centimeters there also. And freezing rain warning continued for Earlton. Those are the 4 districts in my coverage area. And the window of warnings continues towards Quebec. Trough of low pressure cutting the province of Ontario in half. Warm air here, cool air here. Until this trough swings through northeast Ontario at some point, that's when we're going to see the winds change and the snow fall. Satellite picture. The trough right here over the Great Lakes, pushing some clouds along the GTA towards the Laurentians of Quebec. Another massive cloud that's still quite high cloud tops here, indicated in yellow and green. The northern half of that trough is pushing the cloud cover towards Hudson's Bay. So it looks like there's a divide around the Great Lakes where the clouds are spreading apart, but it's still a very busy, slow-moving system, moving east-southeast about 30 kilometers per hour. Radar loop between 11 a.m. and 12 p.m. or 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. Rain towards the southwest of Highway 101, remaining south of the 11. The freezing rain quadrant is Timmins. It's been ongoing for quite a while, and it may continue as well. Continuing over towards the northern section of Highway 11. Snow for Kapuskasing. Snow to the north of the Trans-Canada, affecting Moosonee. In fact, we're just going to look at some conditions here from what I got here. So the Timmins Airport has been reporting freezing rain for as long as we can imagine here. And as of 3:01, the visibility is 2.5 miles, but it's freezing rain and light snow mixed together. Kapuskasing, light snow, visibility is down to 1 3/4 miles, ceiling partly obscured. Moosonee Automated Weather Station, 319, 3/4 of a mile, light snow, ceiling obscured to 700 feet. And 313 at the Earlton, light snow and overcast with -1. Just to give you an idea of what's going on with the wind flow, trough cutting through northern Ontario, northwesterly winds ready to get into Hearst. We're still on the warmer side, winds from the southeast ahead of the trough. We're just waiting for this front to cut through northern Ontario at any given time. Just some notable observations. Heavy freezing rain at Timmins at 12:04, so the heavy rain icon with the freezing rain, with the middle of that section of freezing rain. And Kapuskasing, 1:02 p.m., 6 miles visibility with light snow. After dealing with the morning of light freezing rain, now it's simply steady light snow, moved towards the Texas Gulf Highway. The Weather Star pages are next with all your information.